Yo guys, it's Badger here. Today we have a look at this little smartphone, and as you can see, it's not really a brand. It looks kind of like it should be, but it's not. It's Android based, and yeah, it's pretty cheap. Keep that in mind. I paid less than 70 bucks for this, so I'm actually kind of curious to see what you get for that price range. So as you can see here, that's the phone itself. Kind of like an old phone like you had back in the days where you slide into cards and stuff in the back and then you close up the lid and also the energy source, so that's kind of interesting to see. So here we have the back lid. You're gonna yeah, just smack that on the back and close up your phone. Before we do that, let's grab some yeah energy. Also a little case is included in the back. So you do get quite a bit for your pricing here, or your money. This is something we're gonna need. And then there's two cables, and yeah, throw all the other stuff to the side and actually dive right into the phone. Let's actually rip this open really quick and stick it in there. So just check that you put it the right way. Scoop it in, close it up, make sure everything is shut, and then let's see. I hope it's preloaded. Oh yeah, it looks good. So we're being welcomed. Different interesting thing. It's really light. I gotta say that. Even with everything set up, it's really light. It has three lenses, which looks good. I guess. I'm really surprised by the weight though. This is kind of interesting to see. Otherwise, it looks actually pretty nice. It has like the control buttons in the bottom, not on the screen, but underneath, which is interesting to see in an old cable to load. Also, some headphone jacks inputs, which is interesting. And let's see. Okay, so here is the outlay. Looking interesting. As you can see, it's all Android. Let's scoop in the camera. It looks pretty basic. I mean, obviously, can't expect too much for the price here. Looks like everything is here though. Let's see what we actually have for the settings. Okay, let's check out this shortcuts really quick. Widgets. There's quite a bit. Even night mode. Interesting. Yeah, it's not too shabby. Not gonna lie. Um, if you're actually looking for cheap smartphone, this might be it. Like if you want to, yeah, give your kid or someone first um, experience with phones and you don't want to spend a bunch of money, maybe that's something. Um, or if you just need a second cheap phone. Let's see. We actually have a sensor as well for face and for your fingerprint, which is super surprising to me to see that on here. But yeah, let's actually see if we can go to settings, check out what's actually happening inside, and then call it a day. Oh yeah, okay, as you can see, it's already 56% taken from the storage. So yeah, you definitely need some external storage, like an SD card, which is possible to put in here. And let's see which Android version do we have. System, backup, reset options, yeah, about the phone, and it's kind of hard to see, right? Let's see if I can get it close. We've got a 1 GB RAM, CPU, 4 cores, and Android, what is it, 10? It's interesting to see. It's kind of old. Um, but yeah, it works. I mean, and it looks good. It's really light. So if it's for your kids, that might even be better. It's not gonna be super heavy. Easy to reset everything. And yeah, I gotta say, it's working. The touch screen is quite responsive. I was not being too sure about that, to be honest. But yeah, for the price, definitely not bad at all. So feel free to check it out yourself. And yeah, I think we call this a day. And I will see you around the next video. Take care, you guys. My name is Badger, and I'm out for today. Bye bye.